These are radishes, carrots, they're both raw. Bok choy, I steamed them. Scallions, mushrooms, these are leftover mushrooms from yesterday's ramen, so they're already cooked. These are 2 cups of brown rice. Tofu, I bought the extra firm tofu. 2 cups of water, or I mean 3 cups rather. We're gonna use some water to saute the onions, garlic, ginger, and I have some saffron here too, and the miso, about a tablespoon of miso. All right, so let's get started. I already warmed up the pot here, so I'm just gonna put a little bit of water. Right. Add a little bit more water. So instead of using oil, we used some filtered water. Just going to it's kind of hard taking a video. I'm cooking with one hand, so I apologize if my camera moves too much. All right. Smells so good. I love the smell of ginger. All right, so we're just gonna let it sit for a couple of minutes. And then this is the tofu that I am going to put in the oven. We're gonna bake it at 400 degrees for about 30 to 45 minutes. Right. And then go ahead and put the rice in. Let it toast for a little bit. Then, yep, you're gonna add some water. Actually, let me just put this first, this saffron. Add the water and let it sit there. Let it boil. And we'll come back in a little bit. The congee is done after a couple of hours, and now I'm going to add the miso. I mix some hot water with the miso, and I just mix it. Maybe I'm just going to add some tamari sauce too, and that be it, and then I'm just gonna garnish them with all the toppings. Finished product with all the garnishes.